Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce a topic about L2 sentence processing, which is introduced in an article called Can L2 sentence processing strategies be native-like? First, it is widely observed that few adults can have native-like L2 proficiency, but children can. And one of the accounts for this contrast is the shallow structure hypothesis, whose content can be divided into the following three parts. First, L2 learners can only construct shallow structure representations that contain basic subject-object relations, but they lack detailed syntactic information, and therefore their comprehension relies almost only on lexicosemantic and also pragmatic information rather than syntactic structure. Although the SSH has attracted much attention, it does have certain feedbacks. For example, most studies supporting SSH focuses on filler gap dependencies in processing L2 relative clauses. Here, I also give an example of the filler gap dependency. In this sentence, who is a filler to fill the gap directly after the preposition to. However, here we can propose one question, that is, how gapless structures are processed in L2. One of the examples for such gapless sentences is Chinese-based generated topic sentences. In Chinese, it is very common to have a topic as a sentence initial position, followed by a sentence which serves as a comment about the topic. This can be exemplified below, in which the topic sentence, that is, here, 水果, fruit, has no syntactic relation with any component in the comment sentence below. And there is also no gap in the comment sentence. Here, 我最爱吃香蕉, that is, I like to eat bananas the most. This gapless topic structure suggests that the sentence initial topic is best generated in the left periphery, and there is also neither any gaps like the relative clauses for the topic to fill. As for the features of Chinese BGT sentences, an important one is that the topic is independent of the verb, and it also doesn't need to be an argument of a predicative constituent in the sentence. So this BGT structure, according to Huang, must be counted as the basic sentence form of Chinese. Last, the base generation of the topic is subject to various pragmatic and also semantic constraints. In our example, the topic 水果 fruits on the one hand, and the NP 香蕉 banana in the comment on the other, form a hyponymy relationship, with the topic being the superordinate and the NP in the comment being its hyponymy. And this relation will be referred to as SH relationship hereafter. So, in order to test whether L2 sentence processing can be native-like in such gapless sentence structure, self-paced reading task is chosen. The current research mainly includes 4 types of test sentences, and the reason for including these 4 types of sentences is that any locally increased processing efforts should be detected in longer reading times on a given region in comparison with the same region in a controlled sentence. So we can see that reading time is a very important standard for measure. The author also gives some predictions for our current results. First, processing the pronoun I in region 2 in types A, B, and C will take longer reading times than processing the same pronoun in region 2 in type D because it takes time to reanalyze the word in region 1 as a topic rather than the sentence subject. Second, processing the NPs in region 5 in types A, B, and C will increase processing costs for reanalyzing the topic in region 1 as a topic of BGT sentence. Third, the NPs in region 5 in types B and C will take even longer reading times for the parser to process than the NPs in the same region in type A because the former doesn't conform to the hyponymy relationship that we have mentioned before. So, given these predictions made above, we treat region 2 and region 5 as critical regions, and as there may possibly be spillover effect, we also consider region 3, region 6, and region 7 as post-critical regions, respectively. The result suggests that in the 2 critical regions, our predictions are confirmed. First, we can see that both native speakers and L2 learners' reading times for region 2 in types A, B and C are significantly longer than that of type D. Second, the reading time of both groups in region 5 in types B and C are longer than that in type A, which is found to be significantly longer than that of type D. So the same reading time pattern also spill over to the next regions, and we can see that these spillover regions also show the same results. As a conclusion, we can summarize here that the predictions in our current research are confirmed. So, when it comes to the question, can L2 sentence processing strategies be native-like? The answer is definitely yes. We can see that L2 learners pattern with native speakers in processing all critical regions and also post-critical regions in our current research. Second, L2 learners, like native speakers, are sensitive to syntactic cues in solving ambiguities in producing Chinese BGT sentences. The syntactically identified topic will be stored as the object of the verb first and will be reanalyzed as a BGT sentence topic, not a filler when the real object is processed. Thus, it will cause longer reading times. The first and the second conclusion are both evidence against SSH, and they contain that L2 learners patterning with native speakers are sensitive to syntactic information and dealing with ambiguities in processing BGT sentences. So that is all for today, and if you want to know more detailed information, please read the article called Can L2 Sentence Processing Strategies Be Native-like? Evidence from English Speakers L2 Processing of Chinese-based Generated Topic Sentences, published in 2017. Thank you.